Hello everyone! I want to show you how to check how many topics you have learned in a given week on ALEKS. So, from your home screen on ALEKS, you want to go up to the three lines in the top left. When you click that, you can go down to the option that says Reports. You'll see all kinds of reports on this page. The one we're going to really look at is this week's activity. And to get more information, we can go to View Full Report. Okay, so this is an actual student who spent time last week working on ALEKS. So you can see a number of things. You can see exactly the days that this student got onto ALEKS. So on Monday, March 22nd, they got on. And the gray bar here is showing overall time spent, and so over here on the far right side you can see like an axis that is time spent, so somewhere maybe around 160-80 minutes is the amount of time spent. Over on the left side you see a scale of topics, and if you even click right on there we can see the exact details about how much time was spent there. The blue line is topics that were learned, the orange is topics that were attempted but not learned. So we see that for this day. We see 14 minutes here, no topics. Here we see 7 hours, 37 minutes, 15 topics learned. A little bit more on Sunday. You can see the summary for this whole window of time up here at the top. 20 topics learned for this period of time. And we can go back and forth to different weeks. So we can go back and now we can see the report for other weeks. Now this setup is designed to always go and end on a Sunday, and so we're going to use that time period to make it easier. You could change the window to be from different dates, like from the 14th here, which is a Sunday, to the 20th here, which is a Saturday, so you could change that window. You could also go ahead and change things to show the whole month. So if you click on month here, you can see a longer period of time and all the work you've done over that whole month. So this is the way you can see how much topic and time you have done.